Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I drink a lot of water, but sometimes I just want that carbonation, that bubbliness, and I love that I have this at the press of a button. This SodaStream has been the best thing that has happened to us in a long time. I'm so impressed with how long the carbonation lasts inside the SodaStream bottle. In fact, this is from last night, and just listen to it. My husband and I both love this machine so much. He especially likes that you can carbonate it as much as you want. So if you want more bubbles, you can just push the lever down up to 5 times and then it's like super carbonated. I like drinking plain bubbly water, or I like adding flavors to it. The kit that I got came with bubbly drops in the lime variety, and it has 0 calories, and I can use it as a mixer. It was beyond easy to install the CO2 cartridge in the back of this machine. We live in a home that has limited counter space and plug-ins, so we really enjoy that this has no cord to plug in and it takes up a small amount of space. And we can just move it around and put it away when we want to. It's very light. I really wish I hadn't waited to get one of these because I have enjoyed using it so much, and that's my point of view.